you everyone for greeting.
And then telling me with a straight face as she finished tossing, oh.
Now what I'm guessing.
Notably,
With
she
Derek
also
Ruel.
repeated the Alexa! Next
Short and sweet. Nasaan na ba?
Ginulo kasi natin eh.
Alam din namin, syempre napagod ang iba dahil today nag-arrive ang iba. So, yes, galing pa sa biyahe. So, hoping everyone can feel the place and the vibe of this weekend's festivities. Amen!
Welcome to the Daily Entertainment News PH. Itong weekend na nga ang kasalang Greg Homan at Angelica Panganiban. Destination wedding ang peg ng couple. Kaya naman ang ganda ng vibe ng mga guests. Spotted ang ilang sa closest friends si Angelica sa showbiz. Ilan na dyan ay sina Ann Curtis, Kim Chu, Glyza De Castro, Maxine Magalona at Bella Padilla. Napaka-special talaga ni Anggay kay Kim dahil birthday niya pero pinili pa din umattend sa wedding ni Angelica. Thank you for watching the Daily Entertainment News PH, your daily dose of chika. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.